Hi guys, welcome to Egg Guru channel. In this channel, I am going to discuss about electrical brief videos, which are really interesting and which includes theory, concepts, and practical videos. So before going to the video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the level indicator with remote annunciation, which uses the Russian technology. So this is actually a level indicator looks like. So we can see here. So depending upon the level of the tank, so where we have to measure the level of the tank. So this level indicator is placed connected at the bottom of the tank, and the other end of the level indicator is kept open to atmosphere. So depending upon the level of the liquid inside the tank or a sump, so this level indicator will display the level physically. So here, so at this glass lid, we can see the level of the liquid like this. So this is how physically we can see the level of a tank or a sump. So we have to get the remote annunciation for the control room in order to check whether the level is within the limits or it is too high or too low. So that remote annunciation can be get by using this level indicator. The main parts which enables the level indicator in a remote location are float and the mercury switch. So here we can see the float will be placed inside the level indicator. So this ball is acts as the float. The principle of float is similar, so where we can get in water purifiers. So depending upon the level of the liquid, the float will move upwards and downwards, and the mercury switch will enables the signal whether the liquid is too high or too low. That we will see now. So here the float is connected to the mercury switches. So here the side box, so this contains the mercury switch, and the float will be inside the our level indicator. So here this box will contain the mercury switches. So those mercury switches will give the signal whether the level is high or low. If you zoom in the mercury switches, so this is actually the mercury switches. So this glass lid, this glass tube is a mercury switch which gives the signal whether the level is high or low. So here, so we can see the working principle of the mercury switch for remote annunciation. So here, so in the level indicator, so we are having the float. So that float is connected to a lever. So this lever is linked to our mercury switch. So this mercury switch has having the two electrodes, and inside the mercury switch we are having the liquid fluid, that is nothing but the mercury. So here we can see, so here we can see the, so this is the actually the mercury. So when the level is within the limits, then the mercury switch will be like this. So I will change the color so that we can understand. So here we can see here, so this is the mercury fluid. So when the glass lid is parallel, so these two electrodes are not get connected. So here the logic will be like this. We are having the energy source that is connected with another switch. So and then we are having the buzzer or the lamp for the annunciation of level high. So when the level is high, then so this float will go upward this float will go upward, then the mercury switch will get tilted like this, then the fluid nothing but the mercury inside the glass lid will make the two electrodes gets connected. That means, so this will get short circuited and then the annunciation will appear. Then we are having the energy flow, then the annunciation will get appear. The operation of this switch can be done by the mercury switch. The mercury switch will operate depending upon the our float position. If the float position is at the within the limits, then the circuit will be in open condition. The mercury will not get short circuit the terminals. If the level is too high, then the mercury switch will get tilted, then we are having the short circuit of the terminals, nothing but the switch will get closed, we are having the annunciation at the control room. So this is the operation of the mercury switch. Now we will see in a video how these mercury switch and float will operate. So this is actually inside the inside the float, inside the level indicator. So here we can see, so this ball will move upwards depending on the level of the liquid. Then so this float is connected to the mercury switch. So here we can see, so this one is the mercury switch. So this mercury switch get tilted when the float gets going to upward, so like this. So when the float moves, this mercury switch will get tilted, that will make the circuit close, and then we are having the annunciation at the remote location. So this is how we will get the level high and level low annunciation in a control room by using the level indicator with a very oldest Russian technology. Thank you.